And welcome back. Hey, don't skip the video. I saw that you're gonna skip the video. This is a good one, so just stay here. Good job. Okay, we are back, and we're gonna put a seat cover on this thing because the seat is really bad, and we're gonna make it look cool. So now, if you look over here, we will look at this brand. We picked it up from what's it called? An auto store, and it's a boy truck, so that's the brand. So now we're gonna put it over here. If we take a look back in the seats here, it is gnarly and like completely gnarl. And so let's see, we're gonna put the new thing on it, make it beautiful. Hopefully it fits. If not, I'm gonna be returning it, and who knows what goes on after that. So please round me, and we're gonna get that done. Yeehaw! Booyah, it is done. We got the bottom laid down and the top laid down. So you can say $50 definitely improved the look way better than it is. Now the whole interior looks nice and dark in here and not as cracked and bad as it was before, as you guys saw. So the interior looks 100% better than it did before. So, oh yeah. So, that video wasn't too bad now, was it? Huh? Yeah, so thanks for watching. And there's also a guy I want you to check out, Zeke Fishing Trail. I'll link him down right on the page right there where you're seeing it. And you'll just click on it. He has some fishing videos. And if you like that kind of stuff, subscribe to him. And hey, and if you don't mind, subscribe to me as well. So, right, that's cool. So I will see you later, guys. And thank you for joining me on this one. Woo!